Hello guys and welcome. This is how to say the days of the week in Hebrew. Let's get started. First of all, we have Sunday. In Hebrew we say Rishon. Rishon. But usually people will say Yom Rishon. Yom means day in Hebrew. So we say Yom Rishon instead of just Rishon. Now we have Monday. In Hebrew, Sheni. 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 Or as I said before, Yom Sheni. Yom Sheni. Next up we have Tuesday. And in Hebrew, Shlishi. Shlishi. Yom Shlishi. Yom Shlishi. Say it with me. Shlishi. Yom Shlishi. Before continuing this video, I have a quick message. Please make sure to join the ABezDaily community and subscribe. Learn more words every day. Enjoy the rest of the video. We have gotten to Wednesday. In Hebrew, Revi'i. Revi'i. Yom Revi'i. Yom Revi'i. We are almost at the end of the week. We have Thursday. And in Hebrew, Chamishi. Chamishi. Yom Chamishi. Yom Chamishi. Friday. This is my favorite day of the week. And in Hebrew, Shishi. Shishi. Or as I said before, we usually say Yom Shishi. Yom Shishi. We have reached the holy day, Saturday. And in Hebrew, Shabbat. Shabbat. Or as I said before, we usually say Yom Shabbat. Yom Shabbat. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out my channel for more words and more tutorials in Hebrew. See you in the next video. Bye.